We'll start by looking at the cost of goods sold formula. And to remember it, it is the expense of selling merchandise. So, of course, the normal balance would be the same as with any expense, a debit. Now let's look at inventory and how we're going to use this T account to get a good visual to solve for cost of goods sold. You always start with beginning inventory. And the example we're going to use is $55,000 plus purchases. Let's say our purchases are $173,500. So what is sitting on your shelf? It's going to be these two numbers combined, or $228,500. That's what you have available for sale. And what are the only two things you can do with your inventory? Sell it or not sell it, so that if ending inventory is $47,000, it's easy to solve for cost of goods sold. It's going to also be $228,500. Now, the textbook way usually presents it as beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory is cost of goods sold. So whatever works for you, whatever's the easiest way to remember this. These are just a couple different visuals to use. But the key to remember is beginning inventory and purchases, that's what you have available for sale. But that will also equal your ending inventory and cost of goods sold. So this is a good check figure that you can use. And why? Well, what are the only two things you can do with your inventory? There are only two when we're looking at the cost of goods sold formula. Sell it or not sell it. Here you have available for sale, and if you don't sell it, it will remain in ending inventory.